Hi everyone, I'm Jihyun. Today, let's learn how one word, ne, changes its meaning with your voice. When you answer, yes, say it clearly with a firm tone,
네,
but when you're listening, use a softer, repetitive tone.
네네,
This means, I see, or I'm listening. For no, we say,
아니요,
say it gently with a slight downward pitch to be polite. Let's practice. Yes?
네,
I see?
네네,
No?
아니요,
Master these pitches to sound like a native. You've mastered answering with ne and Aniyo. Now, let's talk about showing your heart. In Korea, being polite is everything. Let's jump into lesson 5, thank you and sorry.
In Korea, being polite is everything. Today, let's master the safe and friendly ways to say thank you and sorry. When talking to elders or strangers, use safe mode. Say
감사합니다,
thank you and
죄송합니다,
sorry. These are always correct. With people your age or younger, you can use friendly mode.
고마워요,
And
미안해요,
sound warm and close. Let's practice.
감, 사, 함, 니, 다. 죄, 송, 함, 니, 다. 고, 마, 워, 요. 미, 안, 해, 요.
Now you can be polite in any situation. Keep practicing and see you next time.